Today I have to share with you some of the new products from the Gina K Designs January 2026 release, including the new Mega Kit. And at the end of the video I have some card inspiration to share, so stay tuned. Hey crafty people, and welcome to my channel. This is Ellen with EGI Designs, and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you are new or returning. Today I have for you an unboxing video of the new Gina K Designs products for January. I do have the Mega Kit, which we will go through, and then at the end I do have some card inspiration to show you. I did get two deliveries. I broke up my order so that I would be able to get both incentive sets. So I kind of shoved everything into this one box, which is why I'm trying to hold it shut. But anyway, we can go through it. The cool thing about the Gina K kits is that the next month at the next release, the kit contents will be available in the store. So if there is something that you see inside the kit that you really love and you don't want to get the whole kit, if you wait till next month, that will be available to you. So let's get started. So in addition to the Mega Kit, there were a bunch of, all of the designers have new product, and so lots of good stuff with that. New stamps, dies, embossing folders, all the things. And I focused mainly on getting the kit this month, but I did pick up a couple of extra things. So let me go through first. These are the two incentives, and I have the other. Okay. So the incentive stamps this month. This one is called Believe in Yourself, and it's got crocuses and a lot of inspirational messages. Believe in yourself, created with love, you will get through this. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us, which is a great quote from Ralph Waldo Emerson. And then the second one is called Songbird. This is gorgeous, makes me think of spring. And then we have this beautiful bird, then we have hello, sending you a hug, sending you a little kindness and a gentle song. Oh, that's so sweet. Lovely friend, and may your day feel like your favorite song. So I love that, so it's so cute. If you do want to get the matching die set for the incentives, you do have to add that to your cart. And then, so both of these, they cut out all of the things on the stamp sets. And there is a third incentive that is available, which is a package of cardstock, like a little note card style. I think this month is just plain white. Sometimes they have blues or other colors. But if you have $75 worth of product in your cart, you'll get a pop-up, and it will let you pick which one of these incentives you wish to have. So in addition to these, I got another bottle of the Connect Matte glue. I love this glue. This is my second bottle. I want to make sure I have it on hand. This glue dries clear, and it also dries matte. So there's no shiny glue. You won't even see it on there. I was trying this glue out when I was making a batch of cards, and I was adding gems, and I wasn't used to the viscosity of the glue yet, and a lot of extra came out, and once everything dried, you could not even see that I had the glue ooze on there. So that was pretty awesome. So this is one of my new favorite glues for sure. And then there are 3 packs of embellishments. And so we have the silver, this is metallic dots silver, metallic dots black, and metallic dots gold. These are varying sizes of completely flat dots. And these are gorgeous. So this will not add bulk to your cards at all. It's a great addition to the store. You can use these for flower centers, just a little like sprinkle along this, you know, across the front of your card, whatever you like. But these, I love that these are so flat and so shiny and beautiful. This set I wanted to get, this is called Large Numbers. I don't really seem to have a lot of number dies in my collection, so I saw these and I thought this would be great to have, and I especially love it has a number sign, a percent sign, and a dollar sign, so that's kind of unusual. But these are a great size. You can do, you know, birthday cards, anniversary cards, all that kind of cool stuff with these, so I thought that would be a good addition. And we have the mega kit. I'm pretty oh, this is really heavy. I'm pretty excited about this. So Gina wanted to do a kind of a bigger kit this month. They did not do a kit in December, and I feel like I read somewhere that they were not doing a kit for February. And then once March comes, it'll be the smaller kits, and then every month again. So this is kind of like a combo kit of awesome things. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so this month, this kit is so big that we get a huge map. A double-sized map. This particular, it doesn't even fit on here. This particular kit is called Cheerful Garden. And there are a lot of amazing things in here. So let's see, just to go over the map really quick, we have the Cheerful Flowers embossing folder. And this comes with stencils and dies to cut out those flowers. We have the Grand Garden Gate, which you can use to make, you know, a gate on the front of your cards. You could use them as flaps to fold in, things like that. We have the Grand Garden Vines, and this, you can use these to decorate your gate, which is pretty awesome. We have the Cheerful Greetings stamp set and dies. We have the Cheerful Flowers stamps, which would go with this. And then we have this heart frame, and there's a heart frame stencil that goes with that. And then down here we have this cutie little set. It's called We Go Together, and there's a die set with that. So we can go through that in a little bit more detail. Let me just pull this stuff out. It's very full. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Alright. Let me just kind of sort this out, see where we're at here. Alright, let's start with this. Let me pull up the map. Alright, so look at how big this is. So this is the Grand Garden Gate. Look at that. Here is an A2 size card base, so just for comparison. So that definitely will cover, it's bigger than that, so you might want to up how big your card is or trim this down, either way. I love the ornate on there. And this has two pieces. This has a solid door with the tabs to attach to the card, and then it has this inside scrollwork ornate piece. So if you combine them, you'll get a see-through door, or you can cut this and layer it on top of the other. So that is really awesome. And then here's the Grand Garden Vines, and so these are, you know, it's like a pot that you can put, you know, next to your gate. We have some foliage and leaves and flowers and things like that, and they specifically put these little ones on plates so you can, you know, cut multiple things in one pass, which is really awesome and saves a ton of time. So this, you can get, you know, 6 flowers, 6 leaves, and you can place them right on top of these dies. So like on this one, if you cut these, they match perfectly on the big and small of this. So that's really great. And then they have flowers and just some other foliage. So super pretty. Looks like flower centers for that. There's some like sort of tulipy looking ones down here. And this one, if you're curious, this is a strip to put across this big pot if you wanted to do that. So that's Grand Garden Vines. And this one I'm super excited about. I cannot wait to create with this. This is called Heart Frame. And it's very intricate. It's got that scroll work with the leaves. And this is what it looks like. So you have this inside piece, and then you have a frame to go around. So what you can do is if you cut out this back frame, and you can layer it behind, and then the color would show through. This one you can cut right into the paper, so you get a window. So I cannot wait to work with this. And then it also has this stencil set, so it will color behind all these leaves. So if you stencil this, you know, on white or you know, any kind of cardstock, and then you layer this over that, that color is going to show through these little windows, which I think is a pretty ingenious idea. So that's a layered stencil. And then we have this little package of goodies. So these all coordinate with each other. These are the Cheerful Flowers. So here's the stamp set for that. You get lots of different, you get like this kind of textured stamp, which is awesome. You can kind of make your own flowers or add textures to the flowers already there. And then there is, to go with this, there is an embossing folder, and inside of this package there are 3 flower dies, and they match with the flowers on here. So you would die cut out the flowers, and then you can put them in the embossing folder and get texture on them. So that is awesome. I love coordinating products. And then this stencil, you could use it completely by itself, which would be awesome, but then you can use it and emboss. So then you would have a stenciled flower, which is, I just love that. So you can use all of these together, or you can use them separately, whatever you like to do. It's very versatile. So that is awesome. Then we have this Cheerful Greetings. And so we have sending cheerful thoughts your way, a little word of cheer to brighten your day, have a cheerful birthday, I'm cheering for you, cheers and best wishes, 3 cheers for you, wishing you happiness and good cheer, and then you get a cool splotchy, which I really love. And it's always fun to do this in a lighter color and then use one of the sentiments and stamp over that, and it gives a really cool effect. So this is just a really, it's a happy stamp set, which I really love because I love sending cards to people to cheer them up. So these are perfect sentiments for that. And then the die set cuts all these out, and it cut, even like the bigger ones, it cuts out the inside parts. So it's really tight to the words, which is really awesome. Okay. And then this cutie little set, we go together. These are so sweet. Oh my goodness. These little kitties. And then these fit inside the postage die and stencil collection, which is really awesome. I will link that with this so that you can check that out. But these will all fit into that. And then these are, you always feel like home, you're my BFF, I love you, 1 + 1 = us, XOXO, we go together like coffee and donuts, be mine, best friends, XOXO, hey there love bug, sending lots of love. And then there is actually a love bug car. That's really cute. A mailbox, a present with a heart popping out, a cute little home. And then there's 14 cents, 143, 60, with like little code things to add to, you know, for a postage kind of card. And then the die set will cut out all of these, so you're good to go with that. So just a bit of housekeeping first, before I go to the card inspiration. I will list everything that I showed today in the description box and over on my blog at egidesigns.com. And if you are watching on a television, I will add a QR code on the top of the screen that you can scan with your phone, and it will bring you directly to the supply list if you want to check that out. Okay, let me get this cleaned up and then we can move on to some card inspiration. Okay, are you ready for some card inspiration? Here are 2 cards I made with the new kit. This first one is a mini slimline card, and I used the embossing folder and dies, the Cheerful Flowers, to do a layered kind of look. And I did, instead of, if you know that the triple step stamping technique that you can do, I kind of did the same thing but with the embossing folder. So I had cut out the middle panel and then raised that up, and then so we have this panel blends into this, but these are at different levels. And then I cut out one of the flowers with the die and added that here, and then the strip across. And then for the inside, I just did a embossing folder on the edge there. So I just took the edge of that. So here is one inspiration card. Oh, and I also added the black metallic, I forget what the exact words are. Let's see. The metallic dots black to the flower centers on there. And then for this one, we used, I'm just trying to pull it all together here. We used the heart frame. And so I didn't use the edge one. I used this one and I cut right into this panel. And then I backed the panel with double-sided adhesive sheets. And then I used the Dazzle Dust Starlight. This was in the 12 Days of Christmas box. And I poured that, I don't know if you can see it, over the back, and added the glitter to that. And because the double-sided adhesive was shining through, it stuck to that and looks amazing. And then I did a matte layer with the layering white and a card base with the black onyx. And then on the inside I used the We Go Together. I used the mailbox on there, and then on the front, the Sending Lots of Love is from here, and I had heat embossed in the Gina K white on that, and then cut that out with the coordinating die set. And then this is an old incentive set floral framework, and that's what I used for the stamp set for that. So here are a couple of quick card inspiration ideas for you. I do have videos coming out for both of these, so when those are available, I will link them in the description box as well. If you enjoyed the video today and you would like to support my channel, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing, as it helps me get out my content to other crafters just like you. On the end screen, I will put my Gina K unboxing playlist if you want to go back and check out any of those other kit unboxings or release unboxings. And I will also put my card making playlist, so if you need additional inspiration, that will be there for you. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.